You have definitely been told that trading does not take a day, that trading takes like 2, 3 to 4 years before you can start seeing results, before you can reach that peak of your trading journey, before you can start seeing results. That trading takes a very, very long time. But I'm here to tell you that you can achieve profitability in just 1 week, in just 3 days, in just 2 days. I'm telling you this because if you have the right information to use or to imply to apply to your trading, if you have the right strategy, the right information, you can start trading starting today. And when I say start trading, I don't mean start trading real money. I mean start trading demo. You do not have to overcomplicate your trading. So in this video today, I'm just going to give you 3 steps, three rules, 3 steps to follow. Then I'll give you the exact strategy that you need to start testing out today. So when I say start testing out, I mean you should go on your chart and look for this particular pattern that I'm going to show you in this video. Every time you see that pattern, something happens. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and watch this video all the way to the end, especially if you're a beginner trader, or if you're somebody who has a lot of, or you're suffering from analysis paralysis. You just have too many ideas, too many strategies to trade. I prompt you to watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you this particular pattern, meaning every time you open your chart, you know exactly what you're looking for. You know exactly what you want to trade. You have everything planned. So now, step 1 is, as a complete beginner, I will tell myself, like if somebody were to tell me that, okay, you're starting forex today, this is what you are supposed to do. What I will tell myself is, first of all, go to ftmo.com, create an account. You have to create an account under FTMO. FTMO is a trading prop firm. If you do not know, it is a prop firm, a company that gives capital to traders that have proven their skills. So if you you're a starting trader, you do not have money to trade, you can get like a $10,000 account. You can go there, pay small money, then they'll give you this $10,000 account, then you trade this 10,000 account. Whatever profits that you make from that account, you and the company will have a profit split. So what I want you to do as a complete beginner is go on FTMO, create an account, then take the $10,000 demo account, because that is the smallest account that they have there. That's the smallest trading account they offer. Take $10,000 account. I'm assuming that you're starting off and you do not have money, so you pay for a 10,000. You go and take a demo account, 10K. You're not paying anything, it's free. You now take those credentials, open your MetaTrader platform, whether it's MetaTrader 4 or it's MetaTrader 5. Use those credentials of that account, log in there. After you've logged in your MetaTrader platform, I want you to come now and look for this particular pattern. And this particular pattern that I'm about to show you now, I've made videos on this, but I keep making videos on this and I keep making videos on this because it is a very, very highly profitable trading strategy. And it has also helped me and my team achieve results like this, and like this. So we've all made this profit, and my members of my team right now, they are able to spot these patterns and even call trades in the group, meaning they're already getting a brief understanding of this trading strategy. And it has not even been long since I started this group with them, and they're already getting this thing really, really fast. So this is the pattern that I want you to look for. I want you to look for areas in the market where you can identify equal highs or equal lows, meaning if we have equal highs like this, equal highs, that means it should be at least 2. It can be 2 and above, but it should at least be 2. So that way you know that, okay, there are 2 highs that are equal. So there's a reason that these highs are equal. So when these highs gets taken out impulsively, like these highs should get broken, like it should be broken. The market should cut through these levels like this. When it breaks these highs, defy these highs, it pulls back inside. I want you to grab a trade, a buy trade right there. And I'm going to show you exactly how I trade on a typical trading day right now on this chart. So this is an example of a bullish pattern that I want you to look out for. You can screenshot that and keep. So this is a bullish pattern, and this is a bearish pattern. It should look like this. It can be 2, it can be more, it can be 3, it can be 4. The goal here, or the idea, is that these highs should be equal. Equal. Highlight that word equal. Is very, 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 very key. All right. So this is a selling example. This is a selling example, and this is a buying example. I want you to look for these particular patterns right here. Let me label this. I'll label this sell. Then I'll label this buy. All right. Oh, my bad. What's happening? Okay. I'll label that buy and I'll label that sell. All right. We're buying here and we're selling here. Cool. Now, I want you to take a screenshot of this. These are the patterns I want you to look out for. In a buying scenario, equal highs, break, retest. And a selling scenario, equal lows, break, retest. That is all of it. You do not have to draw lines up and down, using indicators up and down, confusing yourself as a complete beginner. I want you to focus on price action, because these candles you see on this screen here is your number 1 indicator. This is the best indicator that you ever need. These candlesticks, okay? So look for this particular pattern and trade them. And now I'm going to give you examples and we are going to trade together, okay? So maybe you can have an overall idea of what this is about if you're a complete beginner. So right now I'm going to play price. Then I want you to see if you can identify equal lows in the market. Okay. Okay. Can you identify any equal lows here or equal highs? Is the pattern formed? The answer is yes. The pattern being formed does not mean that this trade is going to work out 100%. Okay. But there is high chance that if the price pulls back in here, we are going to have a sell-off from the zone. There's 1, 2. 2 lows have been formed in the market. The lows are equal and the price has broken it impulsively as well. Okay, so now let's play price. So most of the times the price will not pull back in there, and some of the times it will. So right now, wait, let me pause this right here. You can also see that we have equal highs here, right? So when we see equal highs, what are we supposed to wait for? We're supposed to wait for the market to break up, pull back in, and we buy, just like in the examples that I showed you down earlier before. All right. So now we can see here, we also have equal lows here. So we can highlight all of this zone as what? Our key level. So this area that I've highlighted is the area that I'm looking to enter the market if the market pulls back here. Why? Because we've had triple bottoms here that have rejected this particular zone 3 good times. So if the market pulls back in after this massive break, I'm looking to grab what? I'm looking to grab a quick sell. Okay? I'm looking to grab a quick sell from that zone. So right now, when I see these key levels like this is how I enter my trades. I grab my sell limit, I target it, and I place it exactly at the opening of my key level, and I place my stop loss somewhere above it, just above my key level. I'll just give a buffer, like for price, like a breathing space for price. I just keep that like that. Then I always aim for 1:1.5 or 1:1. Okay, but I aim for let's aim for 1:1.2 here to account for spreads and other charges. So right now, the reason why I'm entering 1:1.1 is because in the market like this, okay, when trading key levels, you do not want to stay too long in the market. You cannot predict the next move. So what we are doing was speculating that price should bounce from here. And you do not want to like speculate that price will drop all the way down. You should not do that, because you don't actually know what will happen next. Okay, so if you do that, you result to more break-even trades, you result to more losing trades, even when your strategy is working, meaning your levels do hold, but they don't hold that well for you to take the amount of profits or the amount of RRs that you're looking to get out of the market. So you should get out quickly as possible. So the quickest way to do that is to take 1 times what you're risking with maybe a little more, like 1.12, like I'm doing. So you can always have, okay, let's play price here and see if our order here is going to get tapped. So if it gets tapped, then we're running in this trade. There's also a point that the market will get there, and when it gets to that point, you have to invalidate your setup. I'm going to go more in depth on that on another video, but just to give you the overall idea, if this market keeps dropping and breaking structure to the downside, I will invalidate my setup here by deleting my orders. So right now, this is the low that I'm looking at. If this low gets taken out, I'm going to invalidate this setup right here. Okay, we got tagged here. We got tagged here. Let me shift this way so you can see. We got tagged here and the trade is still running. Okay, profit hit. Right now, if you're running on a $10,000 account, I would advise that you go with 1% of your trading capital. So if you're taking a $10,000 account, risk 1% per trade, because if you're trying to pass your FTMO challenge, you are going to need to trade with volume. Like if you start risking like 0.05, you waste a lot of good setups and you end up maybe break even or even lose that account before your time lapse. Okay, you have 30 days to pass the first phase of that challenge, so you have to trade aggressively. Okay, so now the reason why I say take an FTMO demo account is because this account comes with a lot of rules that are going to guide you as a trader. Profitable traders have rules. So if you're a beginner trader, you have to learn to apply these rules as early as possible. If you get used to these rules, it's going to be less difficult for you to trade, because if you start learning to trade without rules, abiding to rules in the long run is going to be really difficult for you, because the only way you're going to make money from trading is trading another person's money. And these platforms are here for that. So the reason I say use FTMO, FTMO has a maximum drawdown rule. It has a minimum trading days. It has maximum loss. Okay, so you have to take all of these rules, write them down, or you have them on your dashboard. Look at them every time. It's going to build that awareness. Okay, so you know that, okay, when you've gotten to this point where you're taking consistently winning trades, you can now use real money to trade, and it must not take you 1, 2, 3 years. It depends how dedicated, how consistent you are to this thing, how hungry you are to get this money. You are going to get it. This particular pattern, practice this pattern, only this pattern, day in, day out, day in, day out. I promise you see something crazy here. Okay, so I have a team of traders right here. I have a team of traders. I have a Telegram group for public members. So the link is down below in the description. You can click the description, click the link right there to join my public Telegram group. It's free. I drop my setups, some of my setups there. And today we had a Zoom meeting. I just forgot to record it. It was really great. It was amazing. I answered a lot of questions and people were really like happy that yes. So if you're not in that Telegram, join the public Telegram. If you want to be my private group, I have a private group with 7 members at the moment. So there we call trades. I call all of my setups here. Like if I see something in the market, I give them the setups, I give them the coordinates, I give them my exact trading signal. So that is a signal group, not a mentor group. It's not like a mentorship group where I train you how to trade and stuff. I just answer some questions and I give signals. So that's what the group is for. And you pay $50 for a month. So if you'd like to join my VIP group, click the description, the link in the description below. It's Telegram. Message me, Anya Gislen. Message me and tell me you want to join. But if you're okay and you're conceiving everything that I'm showing you in this video, I have nothing to hide. This is exactly how I trade. If you can digest this, then okay, you can join the free Telegram group. So you can just, like catch up to everything that we're doing. Okay, let's get out of the way and let's continue playing this market here. So I want you guys to keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed and make sure that every time you see a pattern, treat every setup with respect. Don't be like, nah, this one is not looking too good. I'm going to like put 0.5 here. This one is looking good. I'll put $1 here. I'll put 1%, 5% here. Nah, risk 1% on every trade that you take, okay? If it's 5% you're risking, risk 5% on all your trades. If it's 1%, risk 1% on all your trades, okay? So I just want you to know that it's very important to risk across all, because if you do that, when you have a winning trade or a losing trade, you'll be able to measure your growth. So right now, if you can see, if we have the same eyes, then I think we've both identified that this right here is a double top, right? And double top here is what? It's an area that I would like to trade. I like double tops, 1, 2, equal tops. So right now, what do we want to see here? I want to see a break through this top impulsively and a return back to this key level. Then I'll grab a buy to the upside. Okay. Then I'll grab a buy to the upside. So let's play price. Okay, we have a break. We have a break to the upside. Step 1, as step 2 has been met. This is step 1. We identify the equal highs, step 1. Step 2, we wait for the break. Step 3, we do what? We place a sell limit. I mean, like buy limit rather. In this in this scenario we're buying here. I have my buy limit sitting right there. I have my stop loss just below this wick. You can see this kind of wick here. If you go on a smaller time frame, like the 1 minute, this is a swing. This is a low right here, swing low. So I'll just like take that. My stop loss will just be there. Yeah. Then my target I'm aiming for 1 is to 1.1 or yeah 1.11. Yeah. To account for spreads and commissions. Okay, this is a 1-to-1 risk to reward, but I'm taking 1.1 for spreads and other commissions. If you guys know what I'm talking about, play that price right there and let's see the magic happen. Okay, this is a very, very good example. A very, very, very good example. So if you are my subscriber and you have been using this strategy since I made it public, I want you to comment down below that I want you to comment down below your results, comment how it has been for you and how it has been like generally. I just want you to, because a lot of people have been like, yo, this thing is crazy, it's good, it's good, it's good. Yeah, it is good and it is wild as well. So you just have to apply proper risk management. There is no holy grail strategy, but this is exactly how I trade. And I'm so glad that you got to watch this video all the way to the end. If you did, consider subscribing. Okay, subscribe. It goes a long way to support this channel. If you check very well, it has been a while I dropped the videos. It's because people don't subscribe to my channel anymore, so I'm discouraged. I would only drop videos if I see that people are really like receiving this information out there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. My name is Anya Gislan. See you on the other side.